I'm Sam Klepper. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer for Redwood Systems. We're based in Silicon Valley, California. We're 5 years old. We're a company that does building performance, both through energy savings via the lighting system and through space utilization information that helps companies reduce their real estate costs. So we primarily focus in North America and Europe. We tend to have large clients, large enterprises, Fortune 500 type companies in our portfolio. Some of the major trends that we've seen in building efficiency and building automation in the last few years has to do with, number one, trying to save the most amount of energy, especially in places like Europe where electricity prices are very high, there's carbon taxes, and in addition to try to make facilities more intelligent, to be able to automate key aspects of a facility, such as having heating and cooling be based on occupancy rather than simply a set point, having lighting respond to whether people are in a room or not, so you can save energy there. And also temperature, having automated temperature points throughout facilities so that facilities managers can actually understand what the temperatures are throughout a facility. That's the number one call that facility managers have, is around temperature. And so trying to make facilities more intelligent with the end benefit of energy savings and improved space utilization. We see a mobile workforce that is increasingly required. We see alternative workplace strategies put in place, all with the goal of having more people in the same amount of space. And so what Redwood Systems tries to do is help with those space utilization strategies. So the system that Redwood has provides power and control to LED lights and an entire sensor network that goes throughout a facility. And what it does is it both powers the lights and controls the lights for energy savings. What we're finding through the system is that we're saving on average about 75% of the lighting costs in a commercial office space and over 80% in data centers. So we're able to provide these kind of energy savings for our clients, and what's very interesting is that the same sensors that are throughout the facility, literally attached to every single light fixture, they're used for understanding if conference room space is actually being utilized. It's quite often, about a third of the time we've found, is that conference rooms are scheduled but no one shows up. Or maybe they show up and they leave early. And so we're able to integrate with popular calendar systems and to be able to free up those rooms from the calendar if no one shows up. Again, due to the sensors in the room, understanding if there's occupancy in that room. The other piece from that is to be able to provide ongoing utilization reports of those rooms. So, for example, one of our customers was able to, through the system, understand how each of their conference rooms was used, and they found that the larger conference rooms tend to be utilized less. And in their new campus build-out, they're able to now redesign the number of large conference rooms versus medium versus small rooms, so that they have an optimal layout for the types of rooms that are used the most.